Hey there, welcome to Enatom. Let's start with the visual navigator that lets you explore the human body in 3D. Peel back layers from skin to bone and click on any structure that catches your eye. You'll get an interactive 3D model, a quick summary, and even 2D visuals to go deeper. Need something specific? Use our intelligent search bar to quickly find any anatomical structure or ask anatomy-related questions. Our photorealistic 3D models recreate the dissection room experience right on your screen. View structures in lifelike detail with annotations on clinical relevance, innervations, arterial supply, and more. It's the closest thing to hands-on learning. With the Notes tool, you can take notes anywhere in the app and color code them for later review. Perfect for organizing your learning your way. Stuck on a concept or cramming the night before an exam? Ask Ana, your AI-powered anatomy assistant, trained on trusted resources to answer your questions on the spot. And here's the game changer. Enatom is built natively with AR and VR support. Everything you can do on the web, you can now experience in immersive 3D. Put on your headset and walk through human anatomy like you're inside the body. Whether you're studying solo or teaching a class, Enatom brings anatomy to life with tools built for clarity, speed, and smart learning. Ready to get started? Dive in, explore, and experience anatomy the smart way with Enatom. Better results in less time.